Alam nyo, nakakatuwa talaga yung mga ganitong klase ng comment kasi it shows na interesado talaga kayong matuto. By the way, I'm Rose of Pera University and I'm here to help you earn money online. So with this, nag-comment po siya sa post natin about digital product selling. And by the way, sa mga hindi familiar, yung digital product is anything na mabibenta mo online without having it physically. So best example dyan are ebooks, templates, online courses, and marami pang iba. So dito nga ang maganda, hindi na natin kailangan ng physical product. So hindi natin kailangan maglabas ng malaking pera dito at hindi tayo malulugi. And now, I'm very excited to share yung opportunity na malaman to as early as now. And dito rin, malaki talaga yung earning potential kasi once na meron ka ng digital product, kahit isa lang yan, pwede mo na yung ibenta ng paulit-ulit. And to know more about this, especially dun sa mga nagko-comment ng how po, you can message me directly on Instagram or Facebook para ma-send